Welcome back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video we're going to take a look at finding the surface area of cuboids. Though if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover, just leave a comment down below and I'll get to that video as soon as I can. Also make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. So in this video we're finding the surface area of a cuboid. Well, the surface area of any 3D shape is just going to be the area around the outside of that shape. So in this case we're going to be finding the area of each of our faces of the shape and then adding them all together. Well, for a cuboid, we have 6 faces in total, but we can split them up into 3 pairs of faces. We can have our front and our back face. We'll say that's FB, so front and back. We'll have our top and our bottom face, so top and bottom. And then we'll have our 2 side faces on either side of our shape. So it's our 2 sides. And these pairs of faces, the front and the back, they're going to be exactly the same. So our front and our back face, well, that's going to be made up of this 2 by 5 centimetre rectangle. So to find the area of our front or our back face, we'd have to do 2 multiplied by 5. So of course the area of a rectangle, we just have to multiply the height and the base together. So 2 times 5, well, that gives us 10. And it's going to be centimetres squared because it's an area. Now we've got our top and our bottom face. Well, our top and our bottom, that's going to be this 5 centimetre length here and this 4 centimetre length going backwards. So to find the area of each of these faces, we'd have to do 5 multiplied by 4. And that's going to give us 20 centimetres squared. And now finally, we've got our 2 side faces. Well, this one we're going to have our length back of 4, our height of 2. So to find the area of each of these 2 faces, we'll have to do 4 multiplied by 2. And that gives us 8 centimetres squared. Now an easy trap to fall into now would be to just add these 3 up. But of course these are pairs of faces, so we've got 2 of each of them. So we'd have to double both and then add them up. So if we doubled both of them, well, our front and our back, we'd get 20 centimetres squared. Our top and our bottom becomes 40 centimetres squared. And then our 2 sides, that becomes 16 centimetres squared. So we've doubled them all and now we've got all 6 of our faces represented here. Now we just need to add these 3 up. So 20 add 40 gives us 60. Add another 16 and we'll get an answer of 76 centimetres squared. And notice it's still going to be centimetres squared, not centimetres cubed, because even though we are doing a 3D shape here, it's going to still be an area. So it's still that centimetre squared, not centimetres cubed. Okay, let's look at another example. So this time we've still got a cuboid and we're still going to have these 3 pairs of faces. So we've got our front and our back face. We've got our top and our bottom face. And we've got our side faces. So our front and our back. Well, our front, we've got a 2 centimetre by 3 centimetre rectangle. So to find the area of that front and back face would be 2 multiplied by 3. Which gives us 6 centimetres squared. Then our top and our bottom. That's going to be this 11 by 2. So we have to do 11 times 2. Which gives us 22 centimetres squared. And then finally our side faces. We've got 11 along the base. A height of 3. So we have to do 11 multiplied by 3. Which gives us 33 centimetres squared. Now, of course, this is only one of each of our pairs, so we have to double these so we don't miss any faces. So to double this 6, we get 12 centimetres squared. Doubling our 22, we get 44 centimetres squared. Doubling our 33, we get 66 centimetres squared. And then if we added all 3 of these up to get our total surface area for this cuboid here, 12 add 44 gives us 56. Adding another 66, that gives us 122 centimetres squared for our total surface area for this cuboid here. Okay, so now here's an example for you to have a go at. So if you just want to pause the video for a moment, see if you can find the surface area of this cuboid here, and I'll go through it in just a moment. So again, we've still got our 3 pairs of sides. We've got our front and our back. We've got our top and our bottom. And we've got our 2 sides. So our front and our back, well, that's going to be made up of these 3 by 4 centimetre rectangles. So to find the area, we do 3 times 4. And we get 12 centimetres squared. Our top and our bottom, that's going to be 4 by 10. So 4 times 10 gives us 40 centimetres squared. And finally our sides, that's going to be this height of 3, it's length of 10. So we get 3 times 10, which is 30 centimetres squared. Then of course we need to double each of these because we got 2 of each of these sides. So 12, we double it, becomes 24 centimetres squared. 40, we double that, becomes 80 centimetres squared. And 30, we double that and we get 60 centimetres squared. And now of course we need to add these 3 together. So 24 add 80 gives us 104. Add another 60, we get a total answer of 164 centimetres squared. And that is the surface area. Make sure to like and subscribe for more maths videos.